Thank you for tuning into Mirror Now. I'm Aarti Subramaniam. Plenty of news and updates, but first let's start off with a quick update that's coming in from the Supreme Court of India. The Supreme Court has ordered partial relief for the Telangana Crackers Association. The Supreme Court has allowed the sale and bursting of crackers according to the NGT orders. Its green crackers can be burst for 2 hours on the festival, except in areas where air quality is hazardous. My colleague Meenakshi Bhanja joins us for more on this. Meenakshi, some relief, especially if you're a resident of Telangana and you're looking forward to bursting some crackers. But just give us a brief overview of what the court has said and the background of this particular case.
Well, that's right. You know, time after time we see the firecracker manufacturers petition the Supreme Court seeking some modification of orders that are passed on earlier occasions pertaining to ban of sale and bursting of firecrackers this time of the year. And this time around, especially, Aarti, it has been unprecedented across India. Several courts have stepped in, and likewise it was the Telangana High Court which had ordered for a complete ban on the sale, bursting of firecrackers, and that is why the aggrieved Telangana Firecrackers Association had knocked urgently on the Supreme Court's doors, and the court has partially modified that ruling of the Telangana High Court. And like you rightly mentioned, what this means is this, that the NGT had passed an order on the 9th of November which had banned the bursting and sale of firecrackers across India, especially in those areas where the ambient air quality is completely poor or hazardous. But it had allowed for a small window of reprieve, which was this, that those areas where the air quality is moderate could see some bursting of firecrackers for 2 hours, and that too green crackers on the day of the festival. So that order of the NGT dated the 9th of November has to be adhered by. The Supreme Court has allowed partial relief to the Firecrackers Association of Telangana by saying that instead of a complete ban, the NGT's orders have to be applied. Bursting of green crackers allowed for 2 hours in areas where the air quality is moderate, but obviously it will not be allowed in those areas where the air quality is completely hazardous.
Meenakshi, thanks so much for that. The Supreme Court allowing the bursting of green crackers for 2 hours with certain terms and conditions, as Meenakshi was saying, that does come as a relief for the Telangana Firecrackers Association.